peachies, welcome back to Dear Peachy. If you use TikTok, it's likely that you've come across some popular makeup styles that are currently popular. One trend that is becoming increasingly popular is the drunk blush makeup, also known as hangover makeup, because the end result gives the appearance of flushed cheeks, as if someone has had a bit too much to drink. In today's video, we found the China Douyin makeup guru named LiYouYou to show you guys how she get this drunk blush manga lash look. In Chinese Douyin, YouYou is well known for her imitation makeup tutorials as well as her daily makeup look tutorials. The makeup styles she wears on a daily basis tend to lean towards the Western beauty styles. If you are also drawn to these styles, then this tutorial is for you. YouYou begins the tutorial with her base makeup ready. She uses a light beige shade to layer all over her upper eyelid as the base color, with a slightly darker shade blended all over the lower lid area to deepen the eyes. The darkest brown shade is traced along the lower lash line by using a definer brush. Then, trace along the groove of your eye fat to fill in the egg yolk cell contour. This is to widen the eye and bring the eye level lower. If you want a higher crease or deeper set eyes look, you can always opt for a double lid sticker to do so. Tightline your waterline and bring out a short wing at the outer corner. Extend the eyeliner to inner corner, and fill in the inner region of your lower lash line to form a sharp end. YouYou darken her brows with eyebrow powder and she fills in strokes to create the boy brow look. As usual, contour your nose at the region from your brow bone to your nose root, fill in the shadow that looks like a C shape. Contour at the both sides of your nose tip, and fill in horizontal stroke to the area above your tip, to give more definition to it. Add a little bit more below your lips for that pouty lip look. A pro tip spotted here, apply contour to the outer lid area, above your crease with a light hand. You can definitely tell that her brow bone is much more prominent now with this step. With a matte highlighter, apply it at the inner corner to brighten up this region. Shimmery highlighter is added to the nose root and nose tip to bring the nose higher. For blush, she is using the warm coral shade blush from the China makeup brand named Flower Nose. The blush is applied on the nose root and extends to the apple of the cheeks. If you want something more, you can add faux freckles to the midsection of your face. Remember to apply it with a light hand to avoid them looking harsh and unnatural. Individual falsies are applied to enlarge the eyes. YouYou is using the sandwich cluster types falsies. Some people also name these lashes as the sunflower lashes. YouYou has applied 4 individual falsies at her upper lash line. She then uses the Eyeliner fairy type lashes at her lower lash line. Beauty marks can always take the look to a whole new level, so you can add at anywhere that you feel like it. Lastly, a warm nude shade that is close to your actual lip color is applied. By using a lip liner brush, smudge out the lip mat at the cupid's bow to make your lips look fuller. And there you go! The simple and quick drunk blush look is done. The inner corner eyeliner may be more difficult for beginners, but other than that, the other steps are quite simple. What do you guys think? Will you try this look out too? Comment down below to let us know. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.